Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Pipedream for AI automation triggers, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Pipedream website in your preferred web browser. Create an account if you don't already have one by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required fields with your email and password, then, once registered, log in to your Pipedream account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can create a new workflow. Click on the New Workflow button to start building your automation. In the Workflow Setup interface, select the Trigger option. Search for and choose the AI service you intend to use as your trigger. If prompted, click on Connect to start the authentication process. Follow the instructions to authenticate your AI service account. This could involve providing your API key or logging into the AI service. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions during this process. Once authenticated, you will see a confirmation that the AI service is connected. Now, proceed to configure the trigger settings as required. Define the specific conditions that will activate your automation. Once you have configured your trigger, you can select the next step in your workflow. Choose an action that will occur when the trigger conditions are met. This may involve sending data to another application or executing a task. Configure this action step according to your automation needs. Finally, test your workflow to ensure everything functions as expected. If the test is successful, save your workflow to activate the automation. Your setup is now complete, and your automation is ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.